Hey, it's Michaela. So today's video is going to be me showing you my makeup collection, and I might be doing like a little bit of makeup declutter. So this is the current situation. My makeup table. It definitely needs tidying up. I need to bin a lot of things. I don't know where to start. What the hell? So this makeup bag's empty, and I think this one's empty as well. And I've just got a lot of like things that won't fit in my table. I've just plunked on top, and then all this definitely needs organising. I've just not organised it for a while, so. In the drawer. The IKEA drawer only opens up that much, so that's a bit of a pain. So I've got foundations and concealers, so I definitely need to figure out what I'm going to do there, because I've got too much. I might be able to get rid of some of them, and then it might fit. This, I think, was supposed to be highlight and powder, but I think it's mainly just highlight. So I'll have to try and get rid of some of them. Bronzers, pretty much all bronzers there, I think. So again, I've not got enough room. I definitely need to get rid of some of them. This one is just a bit of a mix. It's a bit of like, there's a powder here that should be in the highlight, but it's not going to fit. Yeah, I just think I'll just throw everything in here. This side, I've got like lash glue, mascara, or maybe I could put some in there. I think my foundation and concealer drawer is pretty much organised. So I've got the NYX Pro Foundation Mixer, and that's white, so it makes foundations that are too dark, you can lighten them up. And I've got the Too Faced Balm this way. I've got two Estee Lauder. My favourite one is Rattan, which is 2W2. Then the Chanel foundation. This is really natural. Then I've got the Revolution Conceal Define foundations in C1 and C2. I think they're both too light for me really, but C2 is better. And we've got Topshop concealer. It's like a yellowish one in Banana. And then my favourite one out of these is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20. So I've just took loads of things off my dressing table to try and make it a bit less cluttered. So I'm going to put some palettes in there. So this is my progress so far. So I've put some of the palettes there, so ignore this is still a mess. I'm going to put palettes in there now. I've got my Topshop setting spray there. Some more palettes there. I've got a coaster. Right, so I keep giving up and then starting again. So this is what it's looking like now. I've got two empty makeup bags there. Therefore, if I want to go somewhere and I want to just throw those things in a makeup bag. This drawer and tell you what's in there. Show you my perfumes, palettes, what's going in there, palettes, and then I've got a drawer as well with palettes in it. So first I'm going to show you my palette drawer. I've got two MAC palettes, eyeshadow, blush, a Zoe the highlight palette, Primark, and then here I've got some more palettes. So I've got Illamasqua Contour Palette, I've got the Urban Decay Naked Free Palette, MAC Hyper Glow Highlight Palette, the Iconic London Highlight Palette, and that broke, that's why it's all like that. Another Anastasia Contour Kit, an NYX Contour Kit, and I've got an Hourglass Palette. So it's got the powders, highlight, blush and like a bronzer. A Nip and Fab highlight palette. And then it's my Ray BH Cosmetics palette. So it has like a contour palette in it. But then it also has eyeshadows. And I've got some lip products there. These aren't all of them, but these are just what's on this table. So I've got some Illamasqua MAC. Kylie one that I got off my friend Cara. Got the Millie Macintosh one. This Clarins one. It's a lip balm, but it tints your lips as well, so it's really nice. Then this, some makeup brushes. So Beauty. Then on here I've got some more palettes. Makeup Obsession. Just like a contour palette. Hanging in Hawaii, I've used this one, you can see. The next half, it's really good this. BH Cosmetics. Blusher highlight palette. Some Doll Beauty ones. These are both highlight palettes. And then an Illamasqua contour stick thing. A Becca primer. And I got some YSL lipstick, some Chanel. Now the brushes, I've got a MAC one, a few MAC ones, and that's a MAC one as well. Some Real Techniques. Got the NARS Eater brush, a bit dirty, you wash it. From Zoeva. Dior. Charlotte Tilbury. Got YSL mascara in there as well. Chanel Bronze Universal. Chanel blush. I've got the MAC Face and Body. Beauty blender. And then like a little YSL makeup remover. Now in these drawers, eyelashes. So we've got Eyelure, Primark, more Eyelure. Got some blue contacts in there. Then I've got my Topshop setting spray. I've got some random backups or stuff that's on the box. Some more brushes, mainly the Mean Girls ones, and then there's another one. Some more palettes. Nip and Fab UK Hun palette. Anastasia, Morphe. The Beauty Works XOXO. Cover FX highlight palette. Hourglass palette. And these are my perfumes. Got YSL Monterey. Got YSL Libra. Prada Candy. Juice de Couture. Victoria's Secret Body Spray. Victoria's Flower Bomb, but it's now run out. Got YSL Black Opium, got Tiffany & Co. And I got this next one, and it smells like summer. It reminds me of the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess perfume, it's really nice. I've also got a skincare bag. I'm not going to go into detail, but I'll just show you a few things that's in it. I've got like face masks, face creams and stuff, face roller. Stuff like that. Pixie Glow Tonic. Inside the drawer, the foundations I've got are the NYX Pro Foundation Mixer, Too Faced Born This Way, Estee Lauder, Double Layer, Chanel, Vital Lumiere Aqua. Got two Makeup Revolution concealers, and then I've got a Maybelline Fit Me concealer, Topshop concealer, and NYX HD concealer. But in the back, because it doesn't pull out any further, I've got some sleek foundations, a MAC one. So it's just sleek and MAC, I think. Then here it's highlight and powder. So I've got this setting powder. This is actually from Aldi. It's like the Laura Mercier one, but it's in medium to dark, so it's a bit dark, but it's fine when I'm tanned. So then I've got Topshop powder, and this NYX HD setting powder. and this Sexy Mama powder, and this MAC powder, and I think the rest of it's highlight. Becca, primer. Next, MUA, Undress Your Skin. Got this cream highlight, it's from Sunkissed. Too Faced Benefit Cookie highlight. Got the Mirror Luminizer highlight. There's a lot of that. Illamasqua highlight. Got the Raw Beauty highlight. Now these are bronzers. So at the back, I've got Primark one, Your Golden. So it's really good. I've got this Tom Ford one. Gold Dust. Estee Lauder Bronzer Goddess. Medium deep's my favourite, but this one's deep. Kevin Aquan. This Too Faced one. Morphe. Sleek one. I use it as a bronzer, but it's actually a powder foundation, I think. Then MAC. Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Primark Bronzer. And 2 Raw Beauty Bronzers. Bahama Mama Bronzer. And then here is a mix of blushes and some Overflow bronzer. So in strip. Michael Kors bronzer. This Becca palette. And then I've got this Essence blush, a Sleek blush, Milani blush, Clarins blush, it's an Illamasqua blush, the Balm Beach blush. This is an e.l.f. blush and contour. And then here I've just got like lash glue, mascara. So this is like a bag full of lip products. So there's some different brands in there like MAC, Primark, L'Oreal, Burberry, YSL. Yeah, so this is all makeup they won't be using that much, or it won't fit me dress too. Because I've got like loads of lashes. These I've used. I really like these lashes, but the ones that I actually used already, I really like them, so I really want to get some more, but they never have them in. I'm going to try ordering. This is the EX1 foundation. We've got some MAC highlight. Ted Baker. I think that's like a highlight. Brand new stuff. Got setting spray. Charlotte Tilbury. So I hope you like this video. If you want to give me any video ideas, just leave me a comment, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.